What if you could modify and test control unit functions without touching the original source code? Hi, I'm Martin and I'm Product Manager for Rapid Control Prototyping at dSPACE. If you want to develop or specifically test functions on a control unit, it is often difficult to access these functions directly or even replace them. To do this, you need to access the source code and the toolchain for creating a new Flash file. With a binary code management tool, dSPACE offers a solution to significantly simplify this process. All you need is the original Flash file and, for example, a map file containing information about free areas in the memory and the entry addresses of the function to be replaced. This file can be generated when building the Flash file. The binary code management tool can then be used to import a patch into free areas of the software of the series controller. This allows to extend existing functionalities or to enable synchronization of write accesses for the connection of external devices, such as a dSPACE real-time platform or a PC. This enables various scenarios to be realized. For example, during function development, external bypassing is used to connect a real-time platform on which the new function runs, while with internal bypassing, the new function is loaded into the free memory of the ECU and executed there. During testing, functions can be stimulated directly and the reaction of the functions can be monitored. The reaction times of the functions to changing environmental conditions can also be analyzed in this way, which is particularly important for safety-related applications. If you would like to know more, please contact us at dspace.com so that we can discuss your use case.
dSPACE, your partner in simulation and validation.